Alright, give this a shot again, see if it works. My camera keeps shutting off. Oh, I switched over to do a coarse grind. See how this works. The blades definitely need honed. But it'll work for now. I think the blade's finally getting more into the plate. It does a lot better than I thought it would, but it's still got that break-in point that where it ain't wore into the. I gotta get more blades for it so I can make the blades mark where the blades match the plate and know which side's which. So that makes it a lot better. If you do any butchering, Weston meat lugs. They're really handy. You can always store your stuff in them when you put them up for the year. That way you don't have to have other totes and boxes and stuff. You can put it all in one area. You can get meat lugs from any big box store. Well, sporting goods stores mostly. But they're really handy. They work really good. They're easy to clean. They're pretty rigid. And you can quarter and debone and throw meat from, you know, you only need 1 or 2 lugs for deer, so it's worth the investment. They're not that expensive. You can get lids for them. All this meat's mostly the lower leg, that's why it's so hard to grind. Doing a really good job considering. Some grinders I had wouldn't even think about doing this. I like this grinder because it's got a big mouth where you can put a lot of meat in it. Really like a huge hopper, that's nice. The more you use it, the more the blade hones to the disc. So that's about 15 plus pounds of meat, I'm sure.
Cool.
And this will all get made into jerky or summer sausage. So the grinder did a really good job on considering that I didn't hone the blade or anything before I used it. It was brand new out of the box. And hopefully it will keep doing its job. So like I said, meat totes, a good hand grinder, and some really good knives is about all you need to butcher basic stuff. I mean, you don't have to get fancy, and it works. So when I finish up the summer kitchen, this will be mounted on probably a cabinet top, or maybe a cutting board, something solid, probably a permanent fixture where I can take it off and clean it and then put it away for storage until the next year. But overall, I think this Weston number 32 is a really good grinder. I will be checking out blades. I will also probably do a video on how I hone my blades and hone my plates. And if you can match up, if you can have a blade for each plate, then that blade will match that plate, and it works a lot better. On my number 10, that's the way I do it. So it makes a world of a difference. So I'll let it go at that, and hope you guys really liked it, and hopefully it was informative. And I'll catch you on the next one.